What makes a great smartphone camera? Fine details, vivid color, less noise, fast autofocus, or high dynamic range? Here's a solution. Introducing the ISOCELL HM3 image sensor that upgrades your smartphone into a pro-grade camera. ISOCELL HM3 captures highly detailed images with 108 million 0.8 micrometer sized pixels. Each individual pixel is isolated with ISOCELL 2.0 technology to enhance light sensitivity and color fidelity. The image sensor comes with nanopixel technology to boost performance in low light conditions. In dark environments, it automatically combines 9 pixels into one big pixel to absorb more light, thus producing bright and clear photos with less noise. In bright settings, the improved remosaic algorithm rearranges all the 108 million pixels to maximize the image resolution. As lighting levels are different from one location to another, the Smart ISO intelligently selects the right ISO settings between high and low ISO modes. When there's plenty of light, ISOCELL HM3 automatically shoots in low ISO mode to express colors more vividly. In dark environments, it switches to high ISO mode to brighten up your photos. In addition, multi-sampling technology for noise reduction ensures that your nighttime shots are always crisp and clear. Smart ISO Pro is designed to capture incredible images with high dynamic range in mixed light settings. It combines the readouts from both low and high ISO to produce one single image with 12-bit color depth. In addition, ISOCELL HM3 also features staggered HDR. It's a power-efficient technology that uses rolling shutters over the same pixel arrays in different exposures to maximize dynamic range. For fast and precise autofocus, Super PD Plus comes with improved microlenses that covers the phase detection focusing agents. With AF-optimized microlenses, Super PD Plus helps to keep fast-moving subjects in sharp focus, even in dark environments. ISOCELL HM3 supports 8K high-resolution video recording. And for slow-motion video, you can take 4K videos at 120 frames per second or Full HD videos at 240 frames per second. With a better image sensor, you can be a better photographer. Capture moments and create your own stories with ISOCELL HM3.